Like, hey, put it on the grill, really hot, 2 minutes, you're done. Or
Yeah.
you want to smoke this one, cook it slow, or cook this one on medium heat, just a more intimate experience. And it's an experience is what it
Right.
is.
Exactly. And that's what, we kind of preach at the market is there's, they can go buy beef anywhere. People can. There's a ton of options. But we sell an experience, and education. We're even looking at kind of partnering with some colleges and stuff because, I mean, man, there's like this butcher deal is,